Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Saint International supermodel Tammy Williams strutted on the Chanel runway for a record 16th time in Paris last week. This latest accomplishment solidifies her rank as one of Jamaica's most successful international models to date. The Jamaican teen model sensation made her debut on the prestigious Chanel runway for the label's Summer-Spring collection in 2015 and instantly propelled herself as a favorite of the fashion house creative director and industry icon Karl Lagerfeld. Tammy Williams will hit Cannes for an appearance before returning home for Saint International's Style Week this month. Former Miss Jamaica fashion model, winner, and Jamaican-born American actress Parissa Fitz-Henley will depict Meghan Markle in the Lifetime television network movie Harry and Meghan: A Royal Romance. The film will explore the couple's courtship when they were able to keep their relationship a secret, and finally to the intense media attention they received concerning the fact that Meghan is a divorced American actress. The prince will be played by actor Murray Fraser. Harry and Meghan: A Royal Romance is slated to premiere this Sunday. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are set to wed on May 19. Go Red for Women Haiti, the Heart Foundation. Hundreds of women turned out yesterday looking fabulous in their red for the Heart Foundation of Jamaica's 6th annual Go Red for Jamaica Haiti benefit. This year's ambassador, Dr. Sanita Myrie, spoke to lending her voice to this worthy cause.
I was super excited and very honored because of the importance of heart health and the impact it has on women. I mean, the heart is a vital organ, it's worth fighting for. And the Heart Foundation, their efforts go towards screening and preventing and reducing the incidence of heart disease.
Talia Lynn, CEO of Island Grill, former Go Red ambassador, engaged us on her company's role in promoting a healthier lifestyle.
We try to have healthier food, in particular the drinks. What we try to do is go with as much no sugar added beverages, and we're encouraging just cutting down on the sugar. I love sugar, but I balance it. I go and exercise when I have too much sugar.
Go Red for Women Haiti is one of the many movements this week by the Heart Foundation to encourage people to band together and collectively wipe out heart disease.
We really want to get the message out there that a lot of it we can control, and the more that we can understand our risks and hope to modify them is the more we can control and minimize those deaths from heart disease, and so we want people to go out there and know their numbers, not just the women. It's all about the men too. It's about everybody knowing their numbers, knowing what your blood pressure number is, knowing what your cholesterol, your blood sugar, your BMI, that's your body mass index. All of those numbers are tremendously and not even tremendously, they're so valuable. It could mean your life. You know what I mean? It's the difference between life and death.
The annual event is geared towards raising awareness of heart disease and stroke as the #1 killer of women. Tomorrow is the official National Wear Red Day. We encourage you to wear red and go red. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.